Hey everyone, we are going to the Bangkok Art Cultural Center. So it's gonna be a train away again, but it's just near. It's still in the center of Bangkok, unlike the Erawan Museum that it's outside. So now, outfit checked. Oh my gosh, I'm really loving this top. Can you see that? Like it is connected here. Where is it? Connected here, and then there's like a transparent strap, and also this pants. Oh my gosh, I'm digging this pants as well. So nice, right? And it's ombre. Anyways, see you soon. Alright, so we're now here on that Bangkok Cultural Art Center, if I'm not mistaken. So this is how it looks like here. So it's free. There is no entrance fee. So you are free to run around. There are lots of arts displayed. And let's look at it. So this is the Southeast Asia part. This is the Philippines. Of course, this is where I am from. And it's so funny because, you know, like this one, it's very Filipino. Like we always do that in the Philippines whenever we have an occasion, gathering. We always cook in a big pot. So yeah, like this pictures, or this arts, you know, like this is during COVID. So as you can see, everyone is wearing masks. And then public hospitals. Yeah, I think it's just so, you know, like amazing that they also show every country's, you know, that got hit hard by COVID. So it's actually cool. And this is Myanmar. Right now on the third floor, I believe. Alright, so we just came on that James Nakwi Memorial, and it's not allowed to take a video because, you know, like the images are disturbing, like it's really sad. You know, it's all about the war, the conflict, you know, like those disturbing images, starvation, Agent Orange, which is the first time that I've heard. It's like, you know, that can affect your pregnancy or something like that, and it's really sad. So yeah, we're going in here. I'm not sure if there is another, what do you call it, like an exhibit on this area, but we'll see. Yeah, so those disturbing images are actually, you know, like it's sad, like it's really sad.